tips, and today we are talking about an all too common problem for many of us, myself included, portion control. Here to tell us how we can cut back on calories and our waistlines at the same time is Sodexo dietitian Tanya Turner. Tanya, thanks for coming back on the program.
Thank you.
We appreciate it. Tell us about what we need to do to curb those portions.
Okay. Well, most people, obviously, we eat too much.
Yeah.
Our portions are too large. So just have a couple of examples, but one of the biggest ones is your pasta, rices, that kind of thing.
So you're telling me that that is the appropriate portion of pasta that I'm supposed to eat?
That is actually the appropriate serving. It's about 1/3 of a cup. Most times when you go to a restaurant, Italian restaurant, you'll get almost 3 cups. So,
3 cups?
Yeah. So you could be getting 6 to 7 times what you actually need.
Wow.
Some other examples, this is just a muffin, just kind of your traditional muffin that you would get from a gas station, convenience store, Costco, any of those. It's about 5 servings of bread right there.
I ate one of those on Monday, so I had my entire week of breakfast in one serving.
Yeah, pretty much. Another example, great source of fat, but your nuts and things like that, a lot of people will get these sleeves and actually consume them as a snack, whereas actually 6 to 12 nuts should be your serving. So this, you're getting about 5 servings of fat right in that sleeve.
So how does it all happen? I mean, obviously portions have just gotten bigger and bigger and bigger. Is that because we're growing, or just because we're becoming a more consuming public?
In general, there's a lot of reasons behind it. Portions have gotten bigger just because things are genetically modified. Our apples are a lot bigger. Our pieces of meat are a lot bigger. Our plates are a lot bigger, so therefore we have more room to fill space. And then we just have the idea that bigger's better.
Right, exactly. So how do we curb this problem? How do I somehow go from that mountain of pasta that I enjoy down to this little serving?
The biggest thing is really just portion control, and so using measuring spoons, using measuring cups, if you have a food scale, keeping in mind that half your plate should actually come from vegetables and the other quarter just being starches and meats versus your whole plate starches.
Okay.
So
For more information, Tanya, what do we need to do?
You can go to MUSC and talk to any of the local dietitians there, or there's also great information on eatright.org.
Sounds great. We'll do that. All right, I think that's all about time for the show we have. I feel much better today. Hopefully Laura and Dave got those tips as well. And we're going to see you tomorrow with more Low Country Live. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care.